before I get to that, I just want to say I'm proud of our guys losing his health, and loss is just there's nothing but misery and pain, and there's misery and pain right now. But I'm proud of how our guys responded. And in no way, this program, this team is past. No way am I trying to apply that to moral victory. I'm not trying to say that because we don't believe in that. But I'm just proud of our guys. I think that is a very good team in the other locker room. I think that's a very good team that played very well today. And we dug a hole for ourselves and fought and had a shot to win. Had a couple shots to win. That's the way the ball bounces, but I'm just proud of our guys.